Area Floors, Turkey's leading SPC flooring manufacturer, leads the flooring industry with its innovative, modern, and technological products. With our eco-friendly approach, we offer a combination of aesthetics and durability while protecting the environment. Founded in 2022, Area Floors has gained its own place in a short time with its industry-leading collection and product range. Our fully automated facility utilizes the latest technology to ensure precision and efficiency at every step of the production process. We rigorously perform all tests in our own laboratory, ensuring the highest quality standards. In this way, we produce reliable and long-lasting products. Each flooring product is carefully crafted using the finest materials, ensuring both durability and aesthetic appeal. Area Floors offers diversity in collections and reflects the design in the best way, is taking firm steps towards becoming a brand that represents quality, reliability, and innovation in the flooring industry. By exporting all over the world, we prove the quality of Area Floors in the global arena. By always prioritizing customer satisfaction and the environment, we add value to the future. Area Floors, the meeting point of technology and nature.